Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for missing so many uploads, but this week or the last week has been crazy. And yes, I did cut my hair and I got it colored. I'm more now gray than anything. I really am happy with my haircut. And well, this is not about my hair in this video, but it is about the new November box. It's the Cohorted. I can't pronounce it for the life of me. Cohorted BUB beautiful box. It comes every month. It's a little bit over 40 euros here. I guess it depends with the shipping cost how much it's gonna be. It's a UK based subscription box, and I love their box. Is you always like so nicely presented in the black box. There is every month a little magazine with it, and this time it's exclusive on Ansemonin beauty box, and you have only one brand here. They usually have selection of products, but this month is a bit different, and the value of the box is 290 oh my god, I can't talk. 250 pounds, and there is info about the brand, and yeah, and the first item is the Miracle Eye Contour Anti-Wrinkle Cream. This the packaging as it comes in this, and it was a Beauty Short Award 2017 winner. I tried it this morning because my own other eye cream got over. This is how it looks. It's super beautiful, simple packaging, and everything is in the pump, so no air gets into it, and everything is nice and hygienic. The value of this is 110 pounds, and clinical test results are 73% reported fine lines were smoother, 68% noticed dark circles become fairer, lighter, and 64% notice reducedness of puffiness. So I will keep you posted how I like this eye cream. I will write a review on it like I always do with the skincare. I will test it out, give you all the details and the ingredients and stuff like that. So keep your eye on that. I will use it first like around month, and then you will, so most probably end of December you will start getting skincare reviews, but this is something I started using right away. Others I don't know if I don't need right now, so I want to use up what I have. I have so many things open. So next is Eye Express, and this retails for 750 pounds. It's the Radiance Ice Cube. It kind of is this gel, and it helps with dark circles and puffiness. And there is only this kind of thingy and this. So I'm not quite sure how to use. The ice cube should be stored in the freezer before use. Remove the ice cube from the freezer, turn it out of its mold, and put it in this bag provided. Apply around the eye contour area in the morning and or prior to going out in the evening. Dab over the right eyelid, then under the eye area to the nose. Repeat the process on the left side. And this can be only used once only. So I don't know, seems quite extra to use. I don't really suffer from puffiness or like crazy dark circles. Maybe I will give it to my mom, or I will put it in a giveaway or something, because I don't see myself using it. Next we have emulsion. I guess this is like kinda um, cream. It's balancing moisturizer combination to oily skin. And this retails for £54. It's the ultimate multitasking emulsion that is perfect for oily skin. A very light and non-greasy cream that gently hydrates and protects the skin. Well, I have right now, I need more nourishment. I'm in the evenings I'm using onion oil, and I use a light moisturizer now, but I think I need to switch to the more how to say, more richer moisturizer, and I will keep this for summer months, so you will hear about it then. And the final item in this is the super active serum. It retails from 119 pounds, and it's anti-aging serum. It's the Beauty Shortlist Award 2017 winner. It's acne fighting, brightening, and anti-aging. Let me take it out. Oh, I haven't opened it. Oh no, it's, oh my god. Got it out. And this is how it looks. Like a glass bottle. Right now I'm almost done with my Bare Minerals serum, and I have a couple of serums to use up till I get to this one, but yeah, this is it for this subscription box. I really liked what I got. I got some new skincare to try, and I like it's like a fancier, higher end brand to try, which I really appreciate. I have never heard of this brand, and I don't think I would have picked up anything. So in this sense, I love subscription box, and now I can try from them a whole range of products, which is pretty awesome in my book. So I will leave all the info about this subscription box on my blog, which you can check out. I will leave a link to it in the subscription box as usual. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.